Hey everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check out what we just got in. 1981 Chevrolet Corvette. Yellow, great color combo. Real nice shape, 78,000 original miles, 4-speed. Hasn't been all chopped up, pretty much original. Air conditioning. Body's in real good shape. Running great. All your belts and hoses are in good shape. Car's been very well maintained. All your lights are working correctly. All your wipers. Close this, I'll show you all. There you go. Turn them lights on. That's the look. Beautiful. Real nice paint. No cracking on the front or no spiders on the hood. It lines up the way it should. So it means it hasn't been in a fight. 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Got the Firehawks all the way around, the original wheels. Shut these off. Go down right. No waiting. Front fender's good. All your glass and moldings are in good shape. Glass T-tops located right here. Lines up the way it should. All your gaps are correct. Rear defroster sounds great. Great exhaust system on here. Great stance. Corvette. If you had one of these back in the 80s, you were it. Gorgeous cars. I don't see any paint flaws anywhere in there. Super nice body. Back carpet, rear speakers are all good. Black leather interior with power windows. Stickers from the manufacturer. Birdcage is in good shape. 77,950 miles. It's got tilt and telescopic. Grab your cassettes because you got the old school cassette player Kenwood. Air conditioning, rear to frog. Car drives out wonderfully. Dash is good. All your gauges are working the way they should. Nice car. Excuse me. We're located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We've got over 190 cars in stock. All our pricing, videos, pictures, and description are online. MGMClassicCars.com. Check them out. We've got financing available if you have good credit up to 180 months. 10% down. Shipping all over the United States. Bonded and insured to your front door, opened and enclosed. Questions, you can reach me. My name is Earl at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Our warehouse is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2. All by appointment only. You can text me or call me. I'll get you in. Give you quotes if you want on the phone on shipping or any of our cars you have any questions with. Please like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Thanks for spending a few minutes with this 1981 yellow Chevy Corvette. True to form. Have a good day, everybody. Earl.